Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna present for you old capital of Netherlands, originally founded by the Romans, and once the most important city in the Netherlands. Utrecht boasts a generous share of historically significant structures. The collection of its architectural masterpieces, one of the richest in the country, dates back to the early Middle Ages. The amazingly well-preserved pieces of historic architecture in Utrecht showcase the trends and movements throughout the centuries, featuring a blend of styles, from Gothic to Baroque to Renaissance to Romantic, some dictated by the Reformation and Dutch wars. For years, the Archbishop of Utrecht has been the most important Dutch Catholic leader. The religious theme is duly reflected in the local architectural landmarks. Undoubtedly, however, the most prominent historic building in Utrecht is the Gothic Cathedral of St. Martin, formerly known as Domkerk. As the country's tallest temple, this cathedral represents a distinctive part of Utrecht's skyline. Domkerk, as it presently stands, was begun in 1254. It was initially a cathedral of the Roman Catholic Diocese of Utrecht and dedicated to St. Martin, but it has been Protestant since the Reformation in 1580. The Janskerk was founded shortly after 1040 by Bishop Benold of Utrecht. In the Middle Ages, it was one of the city's 5 collegiate churches which, together, formed a cluster in the shape of a cross, known as the Utrecht Church Cross.